How is the IELTS speaking test assessed? The scoring criteria guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of the IELTS speaking test, how it's assessed. Understanding the scoring criteria can make a huge difference in how you prepare, so stick around to learn how you're evaluated and how to maximize your score. The 4 IELTS speaking test criteria. The IELTS speaking test is assessed using 4 key criteria: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range, and accuracy pronunciation. Let's break each one down so you know exactly what the examiners are looking for. Fluency and coherence. First up, fluency and coherence. This measures how smoothly you speak and how well you organize your ideas. Key questions. Are you speaking in an easy-to-understand, smooth manner? Can you logically connect your ideas? Pro tips. Practice talking about a wide range of topics to build fluency. Use linking words like and, but, however to make your ideas flow naturally. Avoid overusing fillers like or Instead, take a quick pause to gather thoughts. Lexical resource. A resource. Next, let's talk about lexical resource. This is all about your vocabulary, how wide-ranging, accurate, and flexible it is. Key questions. Are you using a variety of words effectively? Can you paraphrase if you don't know a specific term? Are you attempting higher-level vocabulary? Pro tips. Expand your vocabulary by learning synonyms, antonyms, and phrases on common IELTS topics like technology or education. Practice paraphrasing to show versatility. Use complex words where appropriate, but make sure you understand their meaning. Grammatical range and accuracy. Grammatical range and accuracy is another crucial area. Examiners look at the variety and correctness of your grammar. Key questions. Are you using a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences? Are your sentences accurate or do they have frequent errors? Pro tips. Practice crafting complex and compound sentences to show range. Focus on verb tenses, subject-verb agreement, and sentence order. Regular grammar reviews will go a long way in boosting your accuracy. Pronunciation. Finally, let's talk about pronunciation. This is all about how clear your speech is and how well you use stress, intonation, and rhythm. Key questions. Is your speech easy to understand? Are you using stress and intonation effectively? Are your words pronounced accurately? Pro tips. Practice with native speakers or apps that provide feedback on pronunciation. Record yourself and listen for areas where you can improve. Focus on natural stress and intonation to sound more fluent. Now that you know the criteria, here are some bonus tips to help you succeed. Practice regularly. Speak on a variety of topics and get feedback. Simulate test conditions. Practice under timed settings to get comfortable with the test format. Stay calm. Nervousness can hurt your fluency. Take deep breaths and focus on expressing your ideas clearly. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing. That's it for today's breakdown of how the IELTS speaking test is assessed. Now you know exactly what to focus on to improve your score. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IELTS tips. For official IELTS practice tests, visit our website at www.ieltsworldly.com. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your IELTS preparation. Stay confident, practice hard, and ace your IELTS.